Currently, right after downloading the Visual Studio, and I had my command prompt on, that rest up init.exe. So it required me to install the Visual Studio Community Installer. I did one and installed it. So once it was saying like running the Visual Studio installer, I closed it once it was completely installed successfully, and you could see rust up will continue once Visual Studio installation is complete. Now once it was done, I got this prompt which says welcome to Rust. This will download and install the official compiler for the Rust programming language and its package manager Cargo. So this Cargo is their package manager, like Python has pip, right? NPM has JavaScript has Python has pip, and Rust will have Cargo. So now you can see Rust up metadata and toolchains will be installed into the Rust up home directory located at. So you can see over here toolchains, all of them will be in GNG, and then there's a backslash dot rust up. So metadata and the toolchain will be installed there. Toolchains. This can be modified with the rust up home environment variable, and you could see over here the cargo home directory is located at this. This can be modified with the cargo home environment variable again. The cargo rust c rust up and other commands will be added to cargo's bin directory located at this. So you can see over here all of these commands you could see are in there. This path will then be added to your path environment variable by modifying the h key current user environment path registry key. This can uninstall at any time with rust up self uninstall, and these changes will be reverted. You can uninstall at any time with rust up self uninstall, and these changes will be reverted. Now current installation options, you have default host triple, we have x86, and then we have Windows MSVC. Default toolchain, we have stable profile default, modified path variable, yes. So what do you want to do? You want to proceed with installation, default, customize installation, and cancel installation. What we want to do is we want to proceed with installation. We'll say 1, and then we'll say info profile set to default. Default host triple is this MSVC, and then we have syncing channel updates for this, and we'll have all of this installed and all of this installed, which is the Rust version of 1.75.0, and it's installing and downloading cargo. And you can see in the meantime it will be doing all of this process as well. This isn't being installed, so it's going to be installing it.